Welcome back. Chief Minister Digambar Kamat has made it clear that he will not lobby for Chief Minister's position. Speaking on family politics, he said it is fair enough to give multiple tickets in one family if candidate is good at social work. He was speaking exclusively in our weekly program, Head On.
डायनेस्टी पॉलिटिक्साचो इशू दिसान दीस मेजर जावपाक लागला, ओपोजिशन इशू करपाक लागला. तुमचें मत कितें?
लोकशाहीत प्रत्येकाक अधिकार आसा. हांव मानता लोकशाहीत प्रत्येकाक. तो अमक्यालो चलो आनी ताणें जर काम केलां, सोशल काम केलां किंवा ताजी घरकान्न कोणें बायलेन काम केलां जाल्यार जस्ट बिकॉज ताजी बायल किंवा ताजो चलो म्हणून ताका काम करपाक दिवप ना किंवा ताका ब्लॉक करप ताजेर हांव मानना.
पण एका फॅमिली भितर 4-4 टिकेटी दिवप तेय बी गोंया सारके राज्या भितर बरोबर.
किंवा ताणें जर काम केलां थंय जर विनेबिलिटी आशिल्लो कॅन्डिडेट ना जाल्यार तूं कितें करपाक शकता?
तर एक म्हणटात की करप्शन करपाक तुमी शकले ना, वाडत गेले तुमचे कारकिर्दीत. मंत्री करप्ट जाले.
करप्शन हो फक्त राज्याचो विशय न्ही. आज करप्शन हो इंटरनॅशनल फेनोमेना. करप्शन टोटली कोण इरेडिकेट करपाक शकतलो अशें हांव प्रामाणीकपणान मानना.
तुमचे मंत्री भ्रश्ट जाले.
हांव आतां भ्रश्टाचाराचें डेफिनेशन करचें पडटलें. जालें किंवा भ्रश्ट जालें ना, कारण प्रत्येकाचो अनुभव वेगळो आसता. ताका लागून हांव ताजेर ऑफिशियली कितें कमेंट करपाक शकतलो अशें ना.
जेन्ना तुमी कॅन्डिडेट सजेस्ट केले आनी जेन्ना तांची नांवां आयलीं ना तेन्ना तुमकां वायट दिसलें ना?
म्हाका वायट दिसपाचो प्रश्न येना. बेजिकली कशें आसा, काँग्रेसची पद्दत हांव जाणा. इलेक्शनाक टिकेटी दिवपाची तेन्ना 100% कोणीय ठामपणे सेंट्रल इलेक्शन कमिटीची मिटींग जाय पर्यंत आपल्याकच तिकेट अशें म्हणपाक शकना.
फाल्यां जर मुख्यमंत्री जावपाची परिस्थिती आयली आनी लॉबिंग करचें पडलें, करतले काय देवाचेर सोडून दितले?
हांव मुख्यमंत्री पदा खातीर 5 वर्सां पयलीं लॉबिंग केलां आनी फुडले 5 वर्सां खातीर हांव लॉबिंग करतां.
Bureau Report, Prudent Media. Working President of GPCC Francis Sardina assured to give clean government if party comes to power. He also assured that tainted ministers would be kept out of the cabinet. Sardina expressed his unhappiness over distribution of tickets by the party in some constituencies.
Party, if it comes to power, will try to give a very clean government. Even tainted person can be, if at all, to a little extent, can be set right, because after all, you see, you can tell your priorities. But that is not the thing. Maybe, as you said, some tainted persons may be kept out.
While replying to Vijay Sardesai's allegations, Sardina questioned as to why Vijay had not raised his voice when he was active member of the Congress.
It is very unfortunate that he is talking in these terms now, because the same man never raised his voice. The same man was aspirant for the ticket till 2 or 3 days back. If he had interest of Congress at heart, he could have raised this point earlier when he was an active member in the Congress.
Our reporter from Panji, Laukik Shilkar, with video journalist Devendra Gaonkar.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.